In a sun-kissed, rustic village, two young brothers frolic in a field, their laughter echoing through an idyllic landscape that belies the trials ahead. Elijah, the elder, watches over his brother with a protective gaze, their bond weaving a destiny yet unknown. Caleb, carefree and spirited, chases dreams on the wind, unaware of the shadows that await. Years later, Elijah emerges as a celebrated captain, basking in the accolades of a grateful kingdom, his valor etched in every line of his face. Caleb, shrouded in darkness, lurks in the periphery, his eyes gleaming with a dangerous ambition fueled by the seductive whispers of rebellion. The stark contrast in their appearances, Elijah bathed in light, Caleb cloaked in darkness mirrors the chasm that now divides their destinies. In the clandestine depths of a hidden chamber, flickering candlelight casts eerie shadows as Caleb and shadowy figures plot against the king. Elijah bursts into the chamber, his face a canvas of conflict, as he confronts Caleb, his voice echoing with disbelief. "Caleb, what is the meaning of this?" Caleb retorts that the king has become a tyrant, declaring, "Treason? No, Elijah. Liberation. The king has become a tyrant. We must act." Elijah's loyalty is tested as he declares, "He is still our king, and my brother. I cannot stand by and watch you conspire against him." Caleb urges Elijah to see the king's tyranny, stating that blind loyalty is a curse, and invites him to join the conspiracy to build a better future. On the blood-soaked battlefield, a maelstrom of fury engulfs the king's forces and rebels, tearing apart the bonds of brotherhood. Elijah and Caleb, once brothers, now stand as bitter adversaries, their faces etched with the anguish of shattered loyalty and mutual betrayal. Their confrontation amidst the carnage underscores the devastating cost of ambition and the heart-wrenching consequences of their choices. On the cliff's edge, Elijah and Caleb stand as silent sentinels, the battlefield a forgotten relic behind them, their figures etched against the canvas of the setting sun. Bathed in the fiery glow of the setting sun, every breath is a heavy testament to the sacrifice they have made, the unspoken bond of brotherhood hanging palpably in the air. As the sun dips below the horizon, its final rays symbolize the end of an era, hinting at the faint glimmer of hope for a new beginning amidst the ruins of shattered dreams.